Hello friends, welcome to SAP with Rajesh YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about material ledger activation in S/4HANA. In ECC, this material ledger activation was not mandatory, but in S/4HANA it's become mandatory. Without material ledger activation, we cannot perform any transaction. And if we activate this material ledger, then inventory valuation will be available in multiple currencies. That is, we can see inventory valuation up to maximum 3 different currency. And this material ledger will also work as a actual costing. And this material ledger activation happens at valuation area level. So these are the configuration settings we need to maintain to activate material ledger in a system. So we'll go in a system and we'll see this configuration setting. As this material ledger belongs to finance controlling part, so this configuration setting is available under controlling. If we execute this transaction code SPRO, then click on IMG, then go to controlling, then product cost controlling, then go to actual costing / material ledger. So here you will see those configuration settings. So the first setting is for define material ledger type. So click on execute. Here we'll define material ledger type. So click on new entries. So here I am entering 4-digit code AG01. AG01 is a material ledger for AG01. Press enter. Then select this material ledger type row and double click on define individual characteristics. So here you can see defaultly currency type 10 is available for this material ledger type. So right now we'll go with this 10 currency type. Click on save and just click on back button. So with this setting we have defined our material ledger type. Then in the next setting we'll assign our material ledger type to valuation area. So click on execute button and search your valuation area. So our valuation area is AG01. So here I am putting our material ledger type AG01. Now click on save button. Now go back. Now this is the third setting where we activate material ledger for our valuation area. So before activating, what I will do, I will try to create one material. Let's see if system allows us to create material or not. So execute MM01 transaction, select industry sector M, material type ROH, then select required views. So here I have selected basic data 1, purchasing view, then plant data storage 1, plant data storage 2, and I am selecting accounting 1 view also. Click on continue button. Here now I am just putting mandatory, I am just putting information in mandatory fields. AG01 test 1 or AG01 ROH 1. As this base unit of field is mandatory, so here I am putting base unit of measure as a each. Then in the metal group field I will select random metal group, then press enter. In purchasing view there is no any mandatory field, so again press enter. Here in plant data storage 1 also there is no mandatory field, so press enter. In plant data storage 2 also no mandatory field, so press enter. But we have selected accounting 1 view also, right? If we click on this accounting 1 view and if you enter plant code or valuation area AG01, so system will throw this message, material ledger must be set productive for valuation area AG01. It means we need to activate material ledger for our valuation area, and after that we need to make it as a productive. So to activate material ledger we need to maintain one more setting under controlling. So under controlling, go to product cost controlling, then actual costing / material ledger, and this is the setting where we activate material ledger at valuation area level. So click on execute button, then double click on activate material ledger, search your valuation area. So our valuation area is AG01. So here this is the tick, this is the checkbox we need to select to activate material ledger, and here this is the price determination method. So here you can select method as a 2 transaction based or single multi-level. With these two we can use moving average price and standard price both, and based on transaction moving average price will be updated. But if we go with the 3 single multi-level, then we can use standard price only, and with the standard price will the actual costing will happen. And in this 3 moving average price will become static, and it will be updated only for display or information purpose. So I am going with 2, and click on save. So here we will get one message: after activating material ledger, live data must be converted. It means with this setting material ledger will activate, but after that we need to make it as a productive. So to make it as a productive or to convert live data, what we need to do, we need to execute one transaction code CKMSTART. So with this transaction, that valuation area or that material ledger will become productive. So here enter plant code KT01. Right now here you can see the test and checkbox defaultly in selected mode. So if you go with the test mode, click on execute. So our plant code is AG01, right? Now click on execute, select start immediately checkbox, click on check and confirm, click on continue. That's it. So here it is saying the job production startup for user king is active. Now I will remove this test and checkbox, and I will again click on execute, select start immediately checkbox, click on check and confirm, click on continue. That's it. So with this our material ledger for valuation area has become productive. Now if we try for material creation, let's see if system allows or not. So here I have selected industry sector M, mechanical engineering, material type ROH, then select required views, basic data 1, purchasing, plant data storage 1, plant data storage 2, and I am selecting accounting 1 view also. Then click on org level, enter plant code AG01, entering store location level also, click on continue, enter required information. So here I entered base data measure as a age, then selected material group as a randomly 01, press enter. In purchasing view, there is no any mandatory field, so press enter. In plant data storage 1 view, here also no mandatory field, so press enter. In plant data storage 2, here also no mandatory field, yeah, there is one mandatory field. I'm just pressing enter. Then in accounting 1 view, if you here you can see after making material ledger as a productive, this material ledger activation ticked, it comes automatically in selected mode and we cannot change. Once any material ledger or any valuation area becomes productive, then this material ledger we cannot edit. It will always come in selected mode. Now enter required information. So here I am entering valuation class as a 3000. Then in price control field, just scroll down. Here I am entering. Here you can see standard price and per unit price. Press enter. So here I am putting per moving average price 100. Press enter. Click on yes. Yeah. Now system allowed us to create material. So this is about material ledger activation in S4 HANA. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching and keep learning.